When it comes to repairing pavement or potholes, you can make those repairs faster and easier by using unique STIFFWITCH road broom to clean out debris and loose material before making those repairs. Similarly, if you're filling and sealing cracks in pavement surfaces, the STIFFWITCH road broom is perfect for getting into those tight areas and giving you clean, dirt-free cracks for perfect sealing every time. The STIFFWITCH road broom has a long handle to make sweep-outs comfortable. The rounded head of the broom uses rugged polypropylene bristles that are stiff yet flexible and are perfect for penetrating deep into narrow holes and cracks, leaving an area free of debris. The STIFFWITCH road broom is available individually or in bulk orders. There's a reason Unique Paving Materials has brands to which all others try to compare. For more information about this amazing product, please give us a call today at 800-441-4880 or visit our website you see on the screen.